So in this video, I have compared ChatGPT with another large language model called GPT Neo. GPT Neo is free model, it's open source. You can install it locally on your computer and you can use it. So this here I have opened the GitHub page for this model GPT Neo. It's similar style model as ChatGPT, since it's based on GPT-3 and GPT-2. If you go down here, there are two versions of it. A smaller compact version is trained on 1.3 billion parameters, and the other one is a larger model trained on 2.7 billion parameters. So yeah, I mean, I will put the link in the description, so you can check it out, and you can download it if you want, and you can install it on your computer. I will also put a link in the description to how to install it on your computer. Now let's go ahead and ask some questions and see to both of them, ChatGPT and GPT Neo, and see how the answers compare with each other. First, I'm going to go to the GPT Neo. It's here. I have opened after installing it on my computer. I have opened it using this something called Jupyter Notebook. So if you open it, it will look like this. Since I have already installed it, so I will. These are the cells. So by the way, in the notebook, and since I have already installed it, so I will just go and start using it. And in order to use it, again, it's similar to ChatGPT in a sense that we also have to enter prompt here. So this is this place where we can enter the question. So here's this prompt. So I will just enter a question, and then I will ask the same question to ChatGPT. The question I'm going to ask is, let's ask what is Dogecoin? In addition to the question, I have to also specify the output size. What is the character limit or token limit of the result or the output it will generate? So here one can specify that. So maximum limit is 2048. In this case, I'm just going to give a value of 200. Yeah, and then I will just run it. Now I'm going to ask, in the meantime, since it's processing the question, I'm going to ask the same question to ChatGPT. And there's one more thing which I forgot, is that this temperature is set here 0.9, temperature equal to 0.9. This is a parameter which basically sets the predictability or unpredictability of the result. So I'm going to use the same value here. We can do that also in ChatGPT. Use a temperature of 0.9, and so I ask this question to ChatGPT. Since it's working on it, let's go ahead and have a look at what the GPT Neo has created. So this was a question: what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin, the most important cryptocurrency in the world. Okay, according to GPT Neo, it's what is Dogecoin and why it is important. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency or a virtual currency that is made only of coins and is made only of Doge. There's no other virtual currency made of coins yet, and it is likely that it is only a matter of time before someone else does it. Sorry. And it keeps on going. So this is what GPT Neo has generated, and if we go ahead and have a look at ChatGPT, so it's ChatGPT. According to ChatGPT, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It was originally intended to be a light-hearted alternative to more serious cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and is named after the popular Doge internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog, and it also keeps on going. So yeah, I mean, not bad. I mean, GPT Neo is also given us an answer as similar to ChatGPT. Let's ask some other question. Let's say, what is NLP? Once again, I'm just going to run it the same way as I did before, and similarly I'm going to ask what is NLP, and I'll just use the same as before. So it's working on it. Let's see if GPT Neo is already done. So it's still not done. It's working. As you can see here, if if you see a black circle here, it means it's still working on it. Also, you can see here in the there is an hour glass indicating that it's still working. Now it's done, so you see hourglass is gone. So NLP, what is NLP? NLP, natural language processing, is the process of determining meaning from natural language data that is being interpreted. NLP can be broken down into many different skill sets, and depending on the skill sets, they will correspond to different jobs. Okay, so yeah, so it keeps on going. So it's longer. Answer is much longer than what I am just read. So it keeps on going. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah, I mean, it seems to be the correct answer. Let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT says. So ChatGPT says NLP, or natural language processing, is a field of computer science and artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret human language. At its core, NLP seeks to bridge the gap between human language and computer language, allowing machines to process, analyze, and generate human language. And this also keeps on going. So yeah, I mean, it's compared to ChatGPT, it's also, yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, answer is quite good. So yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and ask another one. Something else, maybe tell me a joke. Once again, I'm going to repeat the same with ChatGPT. Tell me a joke. I'm going to ask it here, and also use the same temperature value. So yeah, I mean, ChatGPT has already generated the answer. And why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Okay, so GPT Neo is also done. So it has generated the result. Tell me joke. Okay, it should be tell me a joke. Okay, it's my bad. I should have asked tell me a joke. But anyway, so she said, so this is what GPT Neo has generated. She said, and gave a big smile. How about you? No, no, too bad, I said. I looked at her and gave her an encouraging smile. She laughed at me. Well, I am the oldest, and when you are as old as I am, you make up for the other 20 something ones. Okay, so I don't know, I didn't get it. So it's supposed to be a joke. Yeah, but that's, anyway, that's what generated by GPT Neo. So that's it. I have compared, asked some questions to both of them, and I think the GPT Neo is also quite good. It's not as accurate as ChatGPT. Uh, ChatGPT is also free, as so you can use ChatGPT, but sometimes the thing is that its availability can be limited because of high demand. And then you can use GPT Neo. I think it's not that bad. It is probably trained on data, older data, so it might not be as up to date as ChatGPT. Um yeah, but if you are concerned about your privacy, then I think it's a good alternate. You can use GPT Neo, because in case of ChatGPT, of course, you're logged in, and whatever you're asking, the questions you're asking are stored there by ChatGPT, and probably it learns from this interaction with you, and it will try to customize its answers. You know, but I think on the other hand, in case of GPT Neo, that's not the case, and so you don't. If you are concerned about privacy, you can. This could be an alternate. Is a good alternate, and also it's available since you install it on your computer, so you can use it anytime. uh, there won't be any problem with the availability of it. uh, yes, so that's pretty much it, and thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.